Hi, I'm Chris from Discover eLearning, and I'm going to show you how you can build an AI knowledge expert chatbot inside your Articulate Storyline eLearning content using our eLearning Magic Toolkit plugin for WordPress. First, let's get the eLearning Magic Toolkit plugin installed onto our WordPress site. I have a barebones site already set up here with Elementor Page Builder installed and Tin Canny reporting, which makes it really easy to upload and embed our storyline content onto our page. WordPress is an ideal solution for publishing your e-learning content to be made accessible via the web, as WordPress itself is free to download. Most hosting providers offer cheap one-click install solutions for doing this, and you can even go as far as setting up a fully fledged learning management system solution on your WordPress site if you wish to do so. Once you've uploaded our plugin zip file and entered your license key, you will find the settings for our plugin all contained in the WordPress settings menu. Go ahead and get your API key from the OpenAI platform and paste this into the box at the top of the window. From there, you can decide the best configuration of settings for both the Chat Completions API and the Create Image API for use by learners in your e-learning experiences. The settings shown here are about the standard. Now over in Storyline, I'm ready to add my Knowledge Expert interface to my slide. You can be as creative as you wish in terms of how you want this to look. What I'm going to do is add a button nested in the corner of my slide, which will open a new layer. And on this layer, I will have a character along with a text entry field for the user to type their question. And I'll create another layer with a text field ready to display the answer generated by the AI. To make all this work in Storyline, we just need two text variables. The first to store what the user has typed into the question box field, and the second to store the answer that is returned from the ChatGPT API. Now let's create an execute JavaScript trigger to be ran when the user clicks the submit button. Into the JavaScript code window, I will copy and paste the code snippet, which you can find on our website, to send and receive a single question response from the ChatGPT API. All we need to do is include the storyline variable within the script which the user has typed, and make sure this is included in the prompt contents as shown here. The only other thing that we need to edit here towards the bottom of the script is the storyline variable name to transfer the response text from ChatGPT back into Storyline. We can then create a trigger to display the response layer to the user as soon as that response has been received, i.e. the variable has changed. All we need to do now is publish the project as an XAPI zip file ready to upload to our website. I'll go ahead and create a new page and click the Edit with Elementor button to work on the page using the Elementor Visual Toolkit. I can embed my learning content directly onto the page by adding a container, inside of which will be a text field. I can then click on the Add Tin Canny Media button in order to upload and embed my content as an iframe. Let's save and publish the page and see the result. So that's all well and good, but what if I want my character to answer my question in a really sarcastic tone? Oh, you cheeky fella.